guys! Whoa, how did my hand get there? Anyways, so I'm going to be making a banana bread today. Yay! Woo! Banana bread. And I wanted to do it kind of like my drunk kitchen with kind of similar to Hannah Hart from my drunk kitchen. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing something kind of like that. I'm gonna be doing the PG version of my drunk kitchen, except I'm not gonna be drunk. All right, let's get this started. Woo! All right. So next, what you're going to need is something to drink, and then you're gonna need some all-purpose flour, some baking soda, brown sugar, eggs, salt, butter, and over-ripened bananas. Well, to make this different, I bought some chocolate chips, semi-sweet. And I had also purchased some walnuts. I don't know where those went. Try to look for them, but yeah. So if I find them, they'll have walnuts too. So feel free to add whatever it is you think will make it taste good. Hey guys, so sorry about the angle change. I just wanted you to be able to see what I was going to do over here. Should probably make this a bit lower. Okay. Well, we have our flour. Yes, it is a bear full of flour. Used to have animal crackers, now it doesn't. The instructions say 2 cups of all-purpose flour. I'm going to go ahead and do that. It's as close to 2 cups as it's going to get. Now we need 2 eggs beaten. And now we need 2 1/3 cups of overripened bananas. We open it and take it out of the and just stuff it in there. Stuff and mash the crud out of these bananas. It looks like really weird banana pudding stuff. Our mashed up banana baby food looking stuff and some more. I'm gonna go ahead and pour some into here, and we're gonna need about 3/4 of a cup. Well, that's good. Oops. And now I have some salt in here that I will be using in the banana bread. And it says 1/2 cup of butter, so I have a stick of butter here. And we're gonna mix that together with the brown sugar, and you just want to mix that together. Okay, I don't know if this was anyone else, but when I mixed the two together, it came out looking kind of like ice cream. Now it's saying to combine in a large bowl. Combine the flour, baking soda, and the salt. And in goes in the flour. And now we mix those two up all together. So pour in the eggs and then the mashed bananas. Just mix up those two together, three things together. You're going to want to make sure that all of the ingredients are nicely blended together as much as they possibly can be. Okay, so before all this, you were supposed to preheat the oven to 365 degrees and grease lightly in a 9 by 5 inch loaf pan. I don't have a 9 by 5 inch. I don't think I do, but I have a pan. So I use this spray stuff to grease my pan, but you can use whatever it is that you want. And now you want to go ahead and mix the two wet and dry ingredients up like so. Now I'm going to go ahead and put it into the pan. Just going to want to smooth it all out, and it should look something like this. I just want to put it in the oven at 350 degrees for about an hour or an hour and 5 minutes. And when it's done, you will know because you will stick a toothpick in there or something to make sure, and if nothing comes out, then it's done. But I'm gonna go ahead and put this in, and now we wait. Hey guys, so yeah, I finished getting the banana bread out of the oven, and this is what came out. It's a bit too chocolatey, so I suggest you not put in so much chocolate chips as I did. I don't know how much I put, I just eyeballed it, but it's pretty good, so yeah. Not bad for making my first try of banana bread. So go ahead and try it yourselves. See you later. Bye.